What's up, guys and gals? Got a little package haul to share with you guys. I just received a couple things in the mail today. One is from an eBay seller, just a little something I got off of eBay. And then this one is from Seth, aka the Master, aka MrSenCTVT, as you all know him. This is my first time receiving something from MrSenCTVT, so pretty excited. I do have a little bit of an idea of what's in here because he gave me a hint in a comment last night. I'm pretty damn excited. I love how he wrote Mock Diesel, aka SMU Toys. The man's got some really cool handwriting. Look at that. Then I got a little breakfast from McDonald's. Got a sausage McMuffin. Just a little light breakfast, a little something to get my day started. I probably won't do an unboxing of this, but what is in here, I'll definitely be reviewing very soon. As for this, unboxing coming very soon. Really excited. Thanks again, Seth, aka the Master, aka MrSenCTVT. Thanks so much in advance. Really appreciate it. So look out for those soon. You guys have a great day. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.